An overview of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. The game is late to the party with few enticing features. Samsung's Galaxy S21 FE certainly challenges the cliché better late than never, arriving 5 months after it was first expected, and 11 months and 1 week after all other phones in the Galaxy S21 family. The S21 FE is arriving only a month before the release of the next generation Galaxy S22. Additionally, this is not the first fan edition phone from Samsung. The Galaxy S20 FE proved quite popular. There is an immediate problem with the price. The S21 FE is supposed to be the budget member of the S21 series, which is indicated by the FE in its name, yet it has been delayed for so long that it is fully priced when other phones in the line have been discounted. The phone's price is not its only downside. Despite its wireless charging capability, the phone is rather slow to charge, and it is also not capable of lasting for enough time before it needs to be recharged. We sometimes had to curtail our normal usage in order to ensure the phone lasted a full day. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE went on sale on January 11, 2022 after being announced at CES 2022 a week earlier, and retailers in the US, UK and Australia offered various incentives to encourage purchases, including free headphones or store credit. Samsung's Galaxy S21 FE is offered in 2 storage sizes. First, there is a model with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage that costs £699, $699, 999 Australian dollars, and a model with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage for £749, $769.99, 1099 Australian dollars. The FE has the same rear camera, contra-cut bump to house its 3 lenses, as the 2 aforementioned mobile phones. One small difference is that the FE uses plastic around these rear cameras whereas the S21 uses metal. Like the S21, the FE's power button and volume rocker are located on its right edge, and we found both to be easy to reach when using the phone. There is a USB-C port, but no 3.5mm headphone jack. To listen to music, you will need either a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter or Bluetooth headphones. Samsung doesn't waste any space here, a feature also evident in the bezel, the area surrounding the screen on the front, which is very thin. Samsung offers the Galaxy S21 FE in 4 colors, black, white, pink and green, and as the colors indicate, we tested the black color. With a screen size of 6.4 inches, the Galaxy S21 FE sits between the 6.1-inch S21 and 6.7-inch S21 Plus in the family lineup, and like those phones, the display features 1080 by 2400 resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Though some of the specs are different, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE's camera performance is largely comparable to that of the S21 and S21 Plus. The S21 FE has a 12MP main camera, as well as a 12MP ultra-wide camera, which are both the same as those on the S21. But unlike the S21, the S21 FE has only an 8MP telephoto camera. Many of the photo and video modes of previous Samsung phones are available here, including options such as single take, which captures a photo using multiple lenses simultaneously so that you can choose the best shot, and dual recording, which allows you to simultaneously record video on the rear and front cameras. As far as video recording is concerned, both the front and rear cameras can produce 4K resolution and 60 frames per second, and while this was expected for the rear camera, it is a surprise for the front camera, as very few smartphones are capable of capturing 4K video for selfies. This phone is suitable for mobile gaming, as well as for streaming media, but we would recommend using headphones. We recommend using headphones with this phone when playing mobile games or streaming media. Swiping between home pages, opening apps, and unlocking the phone felt somewhat sluggish, particularly when using gestures. Although the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE has a 4,500 mAh battery, a fairly standard size for a mobile phone, we found the battery life to be disappointingly short. We found that after some social media browsing, music streaming, and maybe an occasional game or photo capture here and there, the battery limped into the sunset and barely survived the day without recharging. But heavy use meant we would need to charge the mobile in the evening to keep it going until the next morning. The S21 FE screen is bright and vibrant, which makes viewing content fun. The powerful processor is great for gaming, and the cameras performed well for most of our photographs. Playing games on the phone, we found it to be very responsive, with quick loading, high-resolution graphics, and no noticeable lagging or freezing. It may be surprising for a budget phone, but the Galaxy S21 FE also offers 15 watts wireless charging and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging, the latter of which allows you to charge other phones. Those aren't fast speeds either, but given that not many mobile phones offer wireless charging, the specifications may appeal to potential buyers.